Guys, homemade fried chicken for today. Happy Mother's Day! Sa mga nanay dyan, especially for my nanay, nasa heavy na siya. Happy Mother's Day! Homemade fried chicken by me, Nitrabs Vlog. Diba guys, sarap yan. Fried chicken ko yan guys. Ala sikat na fried chicken guys. So, ang sarap yan guys. Bago ko yan guys, pre-night. Yan ako yan guys. Pinakuluan ko muna yung aking chicken guys para crispy yung kanyang skin. So, diba guys, sarap. Fried chicken for today. At saka guys, mayroon pa yung mashed potato guys. So, sarap guys. Fried chicken guys. Fried chicken guys. Sarap.